Yo, what's up, guys? So we're going out tonight to go film some fucktivities. Group of guys hit me up. They are gonna be meeting up and doing some rev match and some burnouts and some stupid stuff. So we're gonna go film it. I'm on my way to the truck right now. As you guys saw in the last video, my rear window is broken and it rained today, so God, this is not going to be fun to get in this truck. It's probably going to be humid in there, and my seat's going to be soaked. But let's go have some fun, film some retards doing stupid shit, and yeah. So we're out here at the little mini meet. We got a Miata, RSX, a couple Volkswagens, a Camaro, and we got the turd. So we're going to see what kind of fuckery we can get into tonight. And see where the night goes. So we got the Miata with the different wheels.
Yeah, me and Michael had to rig some mounts.
Yo, we got the RSX with the fucked up motor mount.
That's how it works.
That's how it works.
All the motor mounts are new except for that.
Yeah, like what kind of bullshit is that?
I win.
It sounded like a Honda. Alright, so the Volkswagen guy says his car sounds way better when he's doing a pull down the street. So we're gonna see how she sounds going down the street, and I guess we'll make our decision there. Here he comes. Here we go. I don't know. I think it sounded the same. That was actually a pretty slow pull. I think my truck's got him. Yo, so the Miata's gonna do a pull now. Oh shit. Boosted Miata. Yo, so that V-dub over there had like some strobing lights going on, and it totally looked like a cop. And we got freaked out for no reason. Yo, see, we acted like little bitches because of that little strobe. Oh shit, the Miata! Yo, so we got a bounce now. We're pretty sure the cops got called on that one. So, sorry about the angle of the last camera. There was somebody else holding it. So, yeah. But I got the video now, so it should be better quality now. Alright, we're out. Yo, so we had to ditch that last spot because, you know, we were acting stupid. So we went to a different spot, but this spot we can't really act a fool in because there's a police station like right down the road.
Like and subscribe.
Oh shit, like and subscribe. So we'll see what kind of trouble we can get into here. Yo, so we're out here on the water now. We got the sand behind us. Oh shit. I don't know if anything else stupid's gonna happen, but maybe we'll see something go down. Who knows? There's a lot of random people out here, so maybe two randos will get in a fight and we can film that. Oh shit. Yeah. So we just had the Subi pull up to the nighttime fuckery meet. Better view of the RSX.
How did that pass inspection? How did these pass inspection? Okay, I was about to say.
The camaro. And then there's the turd. There's the turd all the way over there. Yo, so I'm leaving this little meet. It was actually pretty cool. The guys there were pretty chill. You know, when there's not a lot of cars out, you kind of wonder how the meet's gonna be. But the guys there were definitely really cool. They were really chill. So next week I plan on coming back out. I might make a video about it, I might not. It depends on if there's some shenanigans going on. But like I said, the dudes there were really cool. They actually seemed pretty interested in the truck, in the turd. So that was pretty awesome. So, but I'm headed home now. Meet's over. Got some decent footage of some shenanigans. And make sure you stay tuned. Wednesday we'll probably go out to Wacky Wednesday and watch some racing out there. So yeah, make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe. See you guys later.
He finna get richer. I pop a bean, then fuck on your sister. Nut on her lip, and then